ready to explore? Where are we gonna go first? A brain scan? Scan the brain.
Whoa! Mom, what's this? Wow.
This is called an MRI. You want to feel what the brain feels like? What does it feel like?
Feels like rubber.
Where are we going?
There's a different brain. Feel the side. It's going to be cold.
Whoa. A little mini shop. We have a little town. Whoa, what is going on over here? Guys, what's going on? Whoa, everything is like slanted in this room.
Lay on the bed and look up. Lay down and look up.
Ah, that's scary. Challenge your expectations. Pick up the cans as they light up. It is so crazy in here, guys. It is so crazy, but super cool at the same time. Is that right?
Yeah!
The Lego wall of destruction. We are in Legoland, technically.
We're in the IMAX theater.
About to watch Panda.
Yeah!
And they have this dome-like shaped theater. It's so cool. Whoa, it's so high up. It is so crazy and really steep.
Oh! Yay!
We are at the engineering side of the Franklin Institute, and we have some really cool stuff. What do we have over here? Oh, I think we connect it. Choose which one do we connect it with.
Mom, hurry up! We're going inside the party!
It says here, you start on this side. Are you ready to go in?
Yeah.
Whoa. Enter. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The right atrium. We're in the right atrium. Tricuspid valve. Right ventricle. Main pulmonary artery. Whoa. Downstairs now. Re-enter the heart.
Sounds like a circle. Please wash your stuff. That's where we are at. I don't even get what's happening. We're going through the heart. We're like one, I guess. I'm one.
Whoa, we exited. I was starting to get a little claustrophobic at that. I was like, hot in there. We found Emily!
We just went.
Emily, was that cool or what?
It's so cool.
So cool. The cardiac
I
event.
didn't know there was so many stairs in my heart.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Ha ha ha.
I'll try this.
look
That's
up
cool.
at the
You're a
screen.
very brave little girl, you are.
Alright, you see on the screen?
Now look up here.
Now try making a fist or moving your fingers.
Look at there. You're seeing your muscles move.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the muscles moving inside of your arm. Isn't that cool?
How much fun you have on the box based on your weight. Only 5 cups? And I don't know how you're surviving right now. That's so little. And you gotta close it if you want it to do the tornado, right?
Press the green button!
Hazel in the airplane! Yay! She's so tired.
Something's about to happen! Oh my god, I think it's flying!
Oh my god. This is not George!
Where are we going now, Emily? Train time? The train factory! An actual train! Alright, girly, let's go! We're gonna board the train, guys! It's about to take off! Board the train! Guys, we are at the last part of the Franklin Institute that we are visiting. We pretty much checked out everything and we're headed home after this. Emily, did you have so much fun here at the Franklin Institute?
Yeah.
Hazel, what was your favorite part of the Franklin Institute? And you were with toys? Is that right? Is that right?